In this tutorial, we will use a Bosch B942 keypad to add, edit, and remove users from a Bosch G or B series alarm panel. Add a new user. First, approach or wake up the keypad. Next, tap the three-dot button at the bottom middle of the screen. Next, tap the Users icon. This brings up the Users menu. Tap Add User. It's going to prompt you for an administrator level passcode. Enter your administrator passcode. The system will add a user based on the next logical user number available. The number is determined by RPS programming. In this case, user number 24. Tap Enter. Tap Continue to add the new user. From this menu, you can add the passcode, add the name, select the security level, add a key fob or a card, change the language, or add mobile devices. First, change the passcode. The new passcode is whatever the new user wants it to be. In this example, we're going to use 6 zeros. Add the new passcode and press Enter. The system will prompt you to input the new passcode again to confirm accuracy. Press Enter to add the passcode to the new user. Next, we will name the user. The screen will display a keyboard. Enter the name you desire. The default is the next logical user number. You can leave it as a number, or you can enter text. In this example, we're going to use test. Press the return button to accept the change. Next, we will assign the security level to the new user. Tap level. Tap change. Using the arrows on the bottom left of the screen, scroll to level 1, level 2, etc. Note, if you don't know the authority levels, speak to your system administrator for direction. In this example, we are going to use level 2. Tap Save. Tap the upward arrow to bring you back to the Add User menu. To add a key fob or card credential, tap Card. Note, although we are using a key fob, tap Card to add a fob to the new user. Tap Add. Tap Add. Present the new fob to the indicator printed on the bottom of the keypad. The screen will display Card Configured. Now that new fob is assigned to the new user. Tap the upward arrow to bring you back to the Edit User menu. Tap the upward arrow again to bring you back to the Users menu. Edit an existing user. Tap Edit User. The screen is going to prompt you for an administrator level passcode. Enter your administrator passcode. Enter the user number. In this example, we are entering number 23. Tap Enter. Verify the user number and name. Tap Continue. The screen then displays all of the Edit User options so that you can edit settings for this user. Tap the upward arrow to bring you back to the Edit User menu. Tap the upward arrow again to bring you back to the Users menu. Delete an existing user. Tap Delete User. The screen will prompt you to enter the user number. You must know the user number that you want to delete. In this example, we are going to delete user 24. Tap Enter. Tap Continue. Tap Yes to confirm. Tap the upward arrow to bring you back to the Users menu. If you have any questions, please contact support at midchess.com or your local Bosch partner.